Hey everybody, Joe the Lego Man here today, and today I am going to be taking out this friend set from the city and putting a river right down the middle. And also in the process, I'm going to take this right out, properly mills plate it, because as you can see, when I first did it, I never really properly mills plated it. It's kind of always bugged me, and currently the whole thing sits on two 32 by 32 base plates. So I'm going to take this out, separate it, and see if I can stick the river right through the middle. Alright, so as you can see, for the bridge that's going across, we do have the staircase going down. So since I'm going to try to get the river through here, all that's going to go, I'm going to fill in the bridge so it's just a clear pathway all the way over. And as you can see, it is on two base plates, so I'm going to split this right in the middle, make it two separate base plates, and then get her in the city. Unity Street is placed in the city as we're continuing the river. Now, as many of you know, I do have folding tables here, not permanent tables. And here's the issue to anybody using folding tables for their Lego City. Leveling. So as you can see, this part of Unity Street is slightly lower. So I will have to work on leveling the table to bring it all up and level. But that's for another video. So if you like it, subscribe, drop a comment, and we'll see you as the river flows.